Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Shopee no cash on delivery. If you notice that the cash on delivery option is missing on your Shopee, don't worry, it's quite common and can often be explained by a few factors. First, the most common reason is that the seller or courier doesn't support COD for that particular product. Try checking other listings to see if the option appears there. Another possible reason is account restrictions. If you've had multiple canceled or a few COD orders in the past, Shopee may automatically disable this option on your account. To address this, you can contact Shopee's customer service for assistance or clarification. Also remember that high value items or certain product categories, like electronics or bulk orders, may automatically exclude COD as a payment method. If one of your items in the cart doesn't qualify, the entire order won't show that option either. Keeping good order behavior and sticking to trusted sellers often help restore COD eligibility over time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.